हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन फॉर ऑल स्ट्रिंग स्टार्ट विद ए बी एंड एंड विद डबल बी ए इज ऑप्शन ए बी ए स्टार बी स्टार डबल बी ए बी स्टार डबल बी ए प्लस बी स्टार डबल बी ए ऑल ऑफ द मेंशन्ड। लेट अस डिस्कस ईच ऑप्शन वन बाय वन to find the correct regular expression for all string that start with AB and with BBA. Let analyze each option provided. ABA star B star double BA, AB star double BA, BA plus B star double BA, all of them mentioned. Let evaluate each option. Option A, ABA star B star double BA. This regular expression matches string that start with AB followed by 0 or more occurrence of A star followed by 0 or more occurrence of B star and ending with double BA. This expression allow for various combination A and B between AB and double BA, including string like A double B A, AB A double B A B B B B A etc. Option B, AB की power star BBA. This regular expression matches string that start with AB followed by one or more occurrence of AB using AB की power A star and ending with BBA. This expression ensures that the string has at least one occurrence of AB after the initial AB and before double BA. It allows for string like A triple BA, ABA, AB, BBA, ABA, BA, BA, double BA, etc. Option 3 is correct. AB A plus B की power star BBA. This regular expression matches string that start with AB followed by 0 or more occurrence of either A or B using A plus B की power star and ending with double BA. This expression allows for any combination of character including just A, just B or both between AB double BA as long as string start with AB and end with double BA. It matches string like A triple BA, AB, AB, double BA, A, B, 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 A, etc. Option 4, all of the mentioned. This option suggests that all of the provided regular expression A, B and C are correct representation of string that start with AB and end with double BA. Based on analysis, option C is correct. The most general and appropriate regular expression that matches all string starting with AB and ending with double BA, allowing for any combination of character including A or B or both in between. Therefore, the correct option is C. Thank you.